To navigate the programming menu, you're going to start by holding the config button with the wrench above it all the way to the left. You'll hear a beep and then you can release and you'll see the menu change. In the top right corner, you can see a number that shows which menu you are currently looking at. To change your setting, you're going to hold the button that says select with the up-down arrow above it. Hold it until it beeps and you should see your setting change here. To change to the next menu, hold the select button with the left to right arrow above it. You'll hear a beep and then you should see your menu number change. Once you are done making changes, you can hold the enter button to save. You'll hear a beep and you'll be back to your main menu. Menu 1 is going to change your input voltage range. This adjusts the range of voltage the inverter will accept as an input. This setting can be useful for users supplying power with generators that have a wider range of voltage. To change this setting, you can either pick normal or select UID, which stands for wide. Menu 2 is going to be your output voltage, which can be changed from 208, 220, 230, or 240. Menu 3 will be your output frequency. This should be changed based off the electric in your country. In the US, we are 60 Hz. In Europe, you can change this to 50 Hz. Menu 4 is going to change the AC charging voltage for your batteries. For the bank, do not change this unless instructed to do so. For an inverter, refer to your owner's manual and match settings to your battery specifications. Menu 5 is going to change your AC charger current. This adjusts the charging current for your battery bank. Menu 6 is going to change your priority mode. By default, your unit will be in AC priority, which prioritizes solar, grid, and generator before battery. In the event of an outage, your unit will instantaneously switch to battery and power your loads. Your next option is intelligent mode. Intelligent mode should be used when you have solar and grid. This mode prioritizes solar and uses a little bit of battery to help offset your electric bill. In the event that you don't have enough solar, it will switch to grid and use that instead. This mode keeps the majority of your battery available for the event of an outage so that you always have power. Your next option is DC priority. DC priority uses your battery until a set limit. It will then switch to grid or generator. We don't recommend this mode as it takes a lot of life out of your batteries. Menu 7 sets your DC conversion voltage point. This is used for DC priority mode only, and it sets the voltage per cell in which your unit will switch back to grid. Menu 8 is your battery low voltage shutdown point. This sets your voltage per cell in which your unit will stop using battery and shut down. You can set this higher to prioritize your battery life but lessen your load time, or you can set this lower to sacrifice your battery life and extend your runtime. Menu 9 sets your battery capacity setting. This is strictly for your display. Changing this can change what percentage is shown for your battery capacity based off the ampere hour capacity of your battery. You may find that setting this higher than the actual ampere hour of your battery can make it more accurate. For the bank, you do not need to change the setting. If you're using our inverter with other batteries, refer to your battery specifications and set it to the correct ampere hour.